All right, today we're gonna bring us ceiling lights, and these are the 4 inches ceiling lights. They got the actual butterfly area where you actually hook up to the actual ceiling. Make sure they do have a pattern, so you can actually cut a 4-inch hole. All right, and then of course the tie downs for your electrical. On the electrical module, it's simple. You got the hot, neutral, and ground, and then you connect these. They marry in here. All right, now they do have 4 of them, and they come with remote control. On the remote control, you have power on. You could actually dim down the lights, change the RGB lighting, and so forth. So we're gonna change it, and they also have different scenes too. So we're gonna change it and set it up and see how well it works. All right, let's take a look at the auto ring. So we have the app to install, and we have the control tool that's remotely. And you guys can see we're changing different colors, different tones. We're gonna go blue. We're gonna go yellow, and this is just the ring part of the light. All right, now on the bottom part, if you guys can see the bottom part, we're gonna go into a different tone. We're gonna see if we can change it to white, and then we can always change it back to yellow if you want. So you have different tones on it, and we can mess around with the top and the bottom. So one of the great things about it is that you can control the auto ring and the internal ring. The auto ring is through here, through the app too, and through the application too, and also through the controller too. I like that you can do both, but my favorite thing is the actual controller, because controller you can make it brighter. And this is this is for the center. There's not that many colors on there, but has different options. But you can always go to scenes too and change it to different scenes. So we're going to change to different scenes, and going to be able to see all the scenes. So that's one. It looks like an eclipse from there. I'm going to change another scene. Go in there, red. Of course, you could put it with your music too. And of course, we're going to turn that light on back on. So the application along with the ring light, awesome combination. Beautiful. If you're going to put them all around your actually ceiling, you can control this. You can put audio, and then also the best thing about it, besides the controller controlling it, you can always turn it off too.